by practicing ourselves at home, we don't know what are our mistakes, but here they are keep giving feedback and keep motivating us. Without feedback, we don't know where we are wrong or right. So that's why the feedbacks are very important.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, guys, live from our Parameter branch. I have got Neha with me. She has cleared her PTE exam with 8 each. Congratulations, Neha.
Thank you.
Very well done. I remember I saw you in the lab. I met you in the lab 3 weeks back, and you showed me your scorecard. You were not really sure what mistakes you were making. You started off your journey where in your first attempt you had your overall score 68, and you even had 61 in listening. Right now you've got 8 each, and you've just worked hard for 3 weeks. What do you think was the difference before taking the exam and taking the exam this time, which helped you to get the score?
First of all, I would like to thank you, Language Academy, and all the team. Like the feedback session and practicing sessions are very helpful to hear. And by practicing ourselves at home, we don't know what are our mistakes, but here they are keep giving feedback and keep motivating us.
That's right. As you mentioned that when you practice at home, you're not really sure what mistakes you're making, right? Why you think feedback is important in PT? Because I often see students, they just practice for themselves. They make the same mistake over and over.
Because without feedback, we don't know where we are wrong or right. So that's why the feedbacks are very important. In my first exam, I got 61 in listening, and then in my second attempt, I got 81.
So 20 points.
Yeah, 20 points. In summarized written text, there are very important, feedback is very important, and also in write from dictation.
That's right. Because when we do something, we do it right according to our perception. But when you ask an expert to check it for you, you see that yes, what you think is right is not actually right, right?
And for speaking, the new feedback new strategies are very helpful. So keep.
That's right. You got around 68 in your first attempt, right? And now you've got 85. So what do you think? What you changed in speaking, especially for describe images?
Yeah, in describe image, I have implemented the new strategy that's are very helpful, and also for retail lectures.
So how many seconds did you speak in describe images?
In describe image, I used to speak 10 or 15 seconds.
10 to 15
seconds, and it's really helpful.
That's right, guys. Very important. You know what is right, what not, what is working out. There's no point, because the strategies you followed in your previous attempt used to work before as well, right? Students used to get 90 out of this, but it's very important you know what is working nowadays and what are the things you need to work on. You have taken a number of mock tests. How important are the mock tests? And how important is the feedback from the mock tests?
The mock test is very important before we go to attempt the real PTE exam. So it's really helpful.
So I remember you used to do a lot of sectional mock tests, right?
Yeah.
How important are sectional mock tests? Doing sectional mock tests time to time, how does that help you prepare for the exam?
Every day I used to take one for speaking mock test and one for listening. So they are very helpful to me.
That's right, guys. Very important. You take a number of mock tests before you go for the exam, so that you have a clear picture of what mistakes you're making, what are the things you need to work on, and how you have to improve on your weaknesses. Neha, any final advice for people, especially standing on 61, 65, who are not really sure if they'll get the score or not, right? They think they can't do it. Any advice for them, please?
Yeah. So please join Language Academy. It's very helpful. Staffs are very helpful and very supportive. So I would like to recommend each and everyone Language Academy for PTE coaching.
Thanks for that, Neha. But apart from joining the institute, what else do you think is important if a person who is aiming to clear the exam? Yes, you joined the institute, but joining the institute, just joining the institute won't help you, right? You have to make extra efforts. How about those extra efforts? What are the things we need to keep in mind?
So keep practicing on PTE. That's the final advice.
That's right. Very important. You keep on practicing. Yes, guys, direction is very important, but you need to put in a lot of hard work by yourself. I've seen her studying in the lab for around 10 hours a day. She used to practice a lot, and she used to take a number of mock tests. And that is one thing which I believe is the reason behind her success. All the very best for your NAATI Hindi. All the very best for that. Guys, make sure you keep on practicing. Do not give up, and have the right guidance and direction. Even if you're sitting on 7 each, you can easily do it. But you need to get the right guidance and the right feedback. That's it from this video. I'll see you very soon. Thank you.